It's classic import time at Unique Specialty and Classics. Here's a 1986 Porsche 944. Nice looking black coupe. As you can see, has the power moonroof there. Got it notched up, riding on the original alloy wheels. Now, this particular car has been owned by the same owner for the last 25 years. Bought it back in 95. Clean Carfax, no accidents indicated. Original miles. Miles are right at approximately 88,000, just shy of 89,000. For the age of this car, condition very nice on it. Like I said, you take a look around at the wheels, you're going to see that they're not full of curb rash, nicks, scratches, anything like that. Come around and look at the nose cone on this car. Also in very nice shape. You see a few spots where you've had a little touch up, but look at the reflection behind me in that. Take a look at the reflection of the ceiling. So the car obviously has a nice luster to it, but you are going to find some little touch-ups. But again, I'm talking pretty minimal. If we can hunt one down, there you go. Considering a 30-plus year-old car, it's a very nice shape. So black on black, black leather interior, 3-speed automatic transmission, paired up with that 2.5 liter single overhead cam engine that's underneath the hood. Of course, power steering, power brakes, AC blows cold, heat works. So components in this car also working. Now, if you want to check out the still pictures, so you can see that engine bay, interior, underside of the car, take a look at the pictures. Worth just looking at that. Very, very clean, but you can tell us it hasn't been driven any sort of inclement weather. Still pictures at uniqueclassiccars.com. Down below this video in the description, there's a link. Click on it. It's going to take you right there. Phone number 507-386-1726. Give us a call. Be happy to give your honest opinion about it. We do have technicians in our shop that drive these, go through them, give them the once over. So there is a little report written up on them, what they found, what they came up with. Feel free to consult with your sales associate. Everything looks stock in there, except for it does have a Sony aftermarket AM/FM CD player, it appears. The leather on these seats also, I'll get around to the driver's side, pop that door open, show you too, but the condition of these seats, very, very nice. You can tell this was somebody's toy, very well taken care of. Look at those. Passenger seat, very nice shape. Same with the carpeting, top of the dash, obviously stored indoors. Now remember, we do consider trades. Financing is available. We can assist with transportation, and this vehicle may be eligible for an extended service contract, so consult with your sales associate when you call in or email. Once again, check out those still pictures, uniqueclassiccars.com. Easiest thing to do is click on the link down below this video in the description. It'll take you right to our website where you can see it. Again, Michelin tires riding on the alloy wheels. There's 4-wheel disc, all 4 corners on this car. Michelin tires, again, good shape. There you go. Look at the reflection of that showroom coming off the side of that black paint. So again, you can tell exterior condition of this car, very nice. One thing I did want to point out too, I forgot a little earlier, there was a little spot in the glass I want to make you aware of right here. It feels like it's had the repair done to it, so hopefully it won't crack and go anywhere, but I wanted you to be aware of that. All right, let's go ahead and look at my notes. I think I've hit everything I want to show you or tell you about. Let's go to the interior. So power windows. So door panels, very nice shape. Now, your Porsche floor mat, also still great shape. But look at this seat. I mean, just look at the condition of that. And again, car's 30 plus years old. Few miles on it. That seat is in just great condition. Look at the armrest. Steering wheel, everything that shows wear, typically. Just very, very nice shape. All right, there's your miles. What do we got? 88,924. All right. Dug out of the center console there. can see, the only light that's lit up on there is cars in park. Your shift indicator. I'll warm up here a little bit. Like I said, AC does blow cold. AC controls. Clock still working. Again, dash in great shape. Roof. Roof still works. We're going to close her up so we can get out. You can see it closed also. Again, Sony AM/FM CD player. Tachometer. Also working. Your mile per gallon indicator. Looking good. Alright. Slip around to the back of this and hear it run. Sounds like you'd expect to sound right off the showroom floor. Very stock sounding, no crazy exhaust. Any sort of engine work, cam, anything like that done. Alright, I want to pause this a second and we're going to check out that engine bay. So hold on here. Alright, back with the hood open here. Now, hopefully you've hung with me this long in the video because this is going to be the one question everybody asks. Right here, timing belt was installed 79,310 miles ago. Doesn't need to be replaced. Next recommended to do it at 125,000. Like I said, that was about 1,000 miles ago, 89,000 miles on it roughly now. So there's the question everybody's going to ask. That is the answer to it. Yes, the timing belt has been replaced. And power steering, power brakes. AC blows cold. Everything looks, again, like you'd expect it to look stock underneath there. And you can see that in the still pictures also. You can tell this was adult owned and driven, well taken care of car, stored indoors. Previous owner had it since 1995, so 25 years, math correct, 25 years. There you go. 1986 Porsche 944. Nice looking car in black on black. Give us a call, 507-386-1726. UniqueClassicCars.com. Down below this video in the description, there's a link. Click on it. It's going to take you right to our website so you can check us out. Remember, we do consider trades. Financing is available. We can assist with the transportation, and this vehicle may be eligible for an extended service contract. Consult with your sales associate when you call in or email.